Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love to work out and I love to be able to find super cute outfits to wear for my workout. So I love this one that I found by FASMAVIE. It is so cute and it's very comfy and highly functional for my workout. So it's an absolute win-win. Of course, I love this hot pink color. I think it's adorable. And I think that the style too, the little pattern on the sports bra in the back and on the leggings themselves are really cute and really unique. But they're so comfortable to wear for a workout. The material is very breathable. It moves with you. I appreciate the thick waistband, so you've got that kind of support on your tummy. And just the fit of the leggings, they're so comfy. I've had so many different leggings and they're not all made the same. They're not all very comfortable as you go throughout your workout, but I can honestly say that these leggings really are very comfy. And being the hot pink color, I always run the risk when I choose these colors of my workout outfit being a little see-through, but this one is not. I really appreciate the coverage that it has. These outfits come in all different super fun colors and different styles, which I love. There's so much to choose from with FASMAVIE, but I highly recommend checking out this workout outfit if you are looking for something unique, something cute, but something that's also going to be really comfortable and it's going to support you throughout your workout. Definitely check these out. I love these for stretching, for doing yoga or strength training, any type of workout that I have done in this outfit, it has really supported me through. So I highly recommend this outfit, but that's just my point of view.